Ask.
Ask.
I ask my teacher a question. Answer.
Answer.
She answers the phone. Go.
Go.
We go to school every day. Come.
Come.
He comes home at 5 p.m. Do.
Do.
I do my homework after dinner. Make.
Make.
They make a cake together. Have.
Have.
I have a big family. Get.
Get.
She gets a gift from her friend. Take.
Take.
He takes the bus to work. Give.
Give.
We give presents on birthdays. Say.
Say.
They say hello to everyone. Tell.
Tell.
I tell my mom a funny story. Speak.
Speak.
She speaks English and French. Listen.
Listen.
The students listen to the teacher. Hear.
Hear.
I hear music from the radio. See.
See.
We see the stars at night. Look.
Look.
Look at the picture on the wall. Watch.
Watch.
They watch a movie together. Eat.
Eat.
He eats lunch at noon. Drink.
Drink.
I drink water when I'm thirsty. Sleep.
Sleep.
Babies sleep a lot. Wake.
Wake.
I wake up at 7 a.m. Run.
Run.
She runs in the park every morning. Walk.
Walk.
We walk to the store. Sit.
Sit.
Please sit on the chair. Stand.
Stand.
He stands next to the door. Open.
Open.
Open the window, please. Close.
Close.
I close the book after reading. Read.
Read.
She reads a story every night. Write.
Write.
We write notes in class. Study.
Study.
They study for the test. Learn.
Learn.
I learn new words every day. Teach.
Teach.
He teaches English to children. Help.
Help.
Can you help me with this? Work.
Work.
She works in an office. Play.
Play.
The kids play soccer after school. Call.
Call.
I call my friend on the phone. Wait.
Wait.
Please wait for the bus. Buy.
Buy.
We buy food at the market. Sell.
Sell.
They sell toys in the store. Drive.
Drive.
My dad drives a car. Ride.
Ride.
I ride my bike to school. Clean.
Clean.
She cleans her room every day. Cook.
Cook.
He cooks dinner for the family. Wash.
Wash.
I wash my hands before eating. Build.
Build.
They build a sandcastle on the beach. Fix.
Fix.
He fixes his broken watch. Find.
Find.
I find my lost keys. Lose.
Lose.
She loses her umbrella often. Love.
Love.
We love our pets very much.